Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this Monogram font today. It's a Monogram maker. Somebody put a lot of work into it. I had the link. But I've had two people today say that they have Corel X8 or Corel 2018, and it's not working. Well, it does. Now, if you look in 19 and above, Corel made it objects. If you go to 18 and below, the Windows Dockers is now called, or was called, Object Manager. So it looks totally different. I'm going to make our window a little bit bigger. And I'm going to go to the A, and I'm going to highlight it, just like you can highlight any of them. And then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to put Show Object. Shouldn't have to do that, but the only way I can figure out how to get it to work. So right click, Show Object. Go to the C, click on that, right click, Show Object. And there you have it. So everything else is the same. If you don't know where that link is, just go to the first number one of this. And I'll put a link at the bottom of this for this free font, Monogram maker. It is cool because it's not only got round, but it's got square. So if you wanted a square C, just go to square and open it up. And go to C, and we want the right, and then go to right click and show object. Now you got a square C. So that's in Corel X8 and down. I do not totally understand the minus sign. Basically, that just shows you that it's not visible, and you're making it visible by doing that. Corel must have changed that in this. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.